be only the preserve of the Congress party. The BJP is suffering from exactly the same thing in Bengal after one of the most ferocious elections in a long time. Top Bengal BJP leaders have skipped the party's internal meeting that happened today, fueling speculation of them quitting the party. BJP's Ranjit Banerjee, in fact, hit out at Shuvendu Adhikari, who you remember abandoned the Trinamool, came to the BJP and defeated Mamta from Nandigram, who had demanded president's rule in Bengal. Adhikari met Prime Minister Modi today after meeting Home Minister Amit Shah yesterday. Here's a detailed report of the stuff that's brewing in the Bengal BJP now.
It was 2021's most fiercely fought election. The BJP, led by Narendra Modi, invested all its might to defeat Mamta Banerjee's TMC. The results, however, dealt a huge blow to the saffron juggernaut that was riding on Modi's popularity and Hindutva politics. Now, with elections over and Mamta Banerjee firmly in the saddle, there are rumblings in the BJP. The unease in the party came to fore after the BJP's top leaders in the state skipped an organization meeting. Among them was Mukul Roy, whose wife is hospitalized. Interestingly, Mamta's nephew and TMC MP Abhishek Banerjee had visited Roy's ailing wife on June 2nd. Another TMC leader who skipped the meeting is Shamik Bhattacharya. His mother too is said to be unwell. The BJP's Bengal president has rubbished speculation about top leaders deserting the party.
माननीय मुकुल राय तार पारिवारिक समस्या तार शरीर खराब ছিল তার স্ত্রী অসুস্থ আছেন আসেননি মাননীয় শ্রমিক ভট্টাচার্য তার বাবা সকালে মারা গেছেন মাও অসুস্থ আছেন তিনি আসতে পারেননি এই ধরনের কয়েকজন নেতা আসতে পারেননি বা উত্তর বাংলা দুইজন আসতে পারেননি বাকি সবাই ছিলেন
While the party denies any dissent, another leader who skipped the meeting, led by Dilip Ghosh, has spoken out. Rajiv Banerjee, who had switched over to the BJP from TMC, has targeted Suvendu Adhikari and virtually endorsed TMC government. Sharing a post on social media, Rajiv Banerjee claimed that in a bid to oppose the chief minister, who came to power with a huge mandate, some are rushing to Delhi and talking about president's rule. He added that the people of Bengal won't accept this. Rajiv Banerjee's message came on a day Suvendu Adhikari said law and order in the state was worse than what is required to invoke president's rule.
अभी तक इसके बारे में कोई स्पष्ट डिसीजन नहीं हुआ. मेरा इंडिविजुअल ओपिनियन पार्टी के ऊपर लाना ठीक नहीं होगा, लेकिन हालत बहुत गंभीर है, नाजुक है. कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा.
Suvendu, who met Nadda and Shah in Delhi on Tuesday and then Prime Minister Modi the following day, did not give a direct reply when his response was sought on Rajiv Banerjee.
बीजेपी का जो वोट मिला 2,28,00,000, 38% से ज्यादा 39% के करीब ये वोट विचारधारा का वोट है.
मुकुल राय क्यों नाराज है?
वोट विचारधारा का वोट है, कोई इंडिविजुअल का वोट नहीं है.
BJP MP Soumitra Khan, however, hit back at colleague Rajiv Banerjee with a scathing remark.
जो तृणमूल से बीजेपी या फिर चला जाएंगे तो इसके लिए कुछ मेरुदंड मतलब कुछ भी नहीं. उन लोग को कुकुर जैसे बनने के लिए जाना चाहते हैं, कोई जाने, लेकिन बीजेपी लड़ाई करेंगे, उसलिए हम लोग बना रहा हूँ तैयार हो.
राजीव बनर्जी के लिए बोल रहे हैं?
ना, राजीव बनर्जी को नहीं बोले, सबको ये बोल रहे हैं. जो भी जाने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे उसको नहीं करना चाहिए.
Two other leaders, Sonali Guha and Deependu Biswas, who switched loyalties before the polls, have written to the TMC apologizing for their decision to join the BJP. Both have pleaded with Mamta Banerjee to re-induct them in her TMC. With Indrajit Kundu in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.